Yes, welcome back children. Now we reached our lesson number 19, means 19, that means lesson. Hayya, come, na'lab, we play in fi al-hadiqa, the garden. So I made this sentence like this: come, let's play in the garden. Okay? Or come, we play in the garden. Both it could be. Let's play in the garden, or come, we play in the garden. Istama, listen, wa, and takallum, speak. There is a different type of chapter. So directly they are saying istama wa takallum, kef, how, yatiru, fly. Tiru filai, yatir means for the male they are using, al-asfur, the bird or the sparrow, how the sparrow flies. Okay? Now the children, they are showing that how they are just doing acting. They are saying, siu siu, siu siu, siu siu, cave, yanatu, adifta. How the frog jumps or skips. By skipping, it goes, na? They are showing kak kak, kak kak, kak kak. This is a sound. This is no meaning of this. Okay? This is a sound of only just kayf yajri al-qitar. How the train runs. Yajri means runs or walks. Okay? Qitar, train. Kayf means how. Kayfa, kaifa or kayfa. Yajri al-qitar. Toot, 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 like this they make. So here, shadda, shuddi, al-habal, mana, ya nura. Shuddi means pull, okay? Al-habal, rope, mana, with us, ya nura, o nura, o nura, hold or pull the rope with us. Here they are saying. What this? Ana astad al-farasha bil-shabka. I told you when this gave the meaning of with or by. I am hunting the butterfly with the net. Okay? Now they are pulling and they are saying wahid, itnan, talata, arba, khamsa, like this. They are just making fun because they are in the garden. Istad lil sabaq means istad means get ready. Sabaq means race. Lil sabaq for the li mana. Li means for. Sabaq means race. Get ready for the race. Ili nakhla al tawila, the palm to the palm tree. Ili means to. Al-nakhla, palm. Tawila, tall. Okay? They are that where to walk, till where to run. Here they are saying to that the palm tree. Palm, tall tree. Tawila, tall. Now, nuti al-habal, skipping the rope. See? Nuti, they are skipping the rope. Nuti, nuti, skip, skip. Huwa, who. Dog is just barking. Al-kab ya badar, the dog o badar, her mama saying. Now here, the sentences, same sentences are coming. Yatiru al-itfal misl asfur, al-asfur. Children are flying like the sparrow or like the bird. Yatir means fly, children means, itfal means children, misal means like. Okay? There is a misal, like. Yajri al-falu misal qitar. Children are running like the train. Yajri means train, yajri means running, itfal children, misal means like. This is the new word, so you remember misal. Tastadu Nura al-Farasha bil-Shabka. Nura hunting or catching butterfly with the net. Bishabka, shabka means net. Okay, even the internet you uses, we says shabaka in Arabic. There is a shabaka. To start hunting. Ta using because of the girl. Tanuttu amal al-habal. Hamal is skipping the rope. Tanuttu means skipping. Yanattu al-itfalu misl difda. Children are skipping like the frog. Yanattu because ya using because of the male. Children itfal misl like difda frog. Yashaddu al-itfal al-ahwal. Ya coming because of the male. So shadd means pull. Yashaddu means they are pulling. Okay, because of the children. Children are pulling the rope. Yajri means jari means fast or running. Okay. Al-itfal children. Ili to nahla al-tawila. Okay, children are running to the tall date tree. Yashaddu badrun zailul kalb. Okay, zail means tail. Okay, shaddu means pulling. Badr pulling the dog's tail. See here they are showing this. He was saying and the mom was saying, oh, but this is the dog. Okay, so he is pulling. So we reach on the next page of this chapter 19. Adras, listen. This is the divda, frog, butterfly, frasha, kasir. They are showing now. They are just comparing kasir, short, tawil, tall. See, nakhla, there is a palm tree, sabaq, race, shabaka, net. Sabaq is a race. So we reached on our Miao Sittash, 116 page. Now third page of this, lesson number 19, istamal, use. Now they are giving the two pictures, and according to that we have to make the sentences, and they are giving also sentences. Ili aina yajri al-itfal. Ili, where, when, okay? Where to? Ili means to, aina, where. Where are running or where to running? The children. Yajri means running. Yajri al-itfal ilil nakhra. Ilil nakhla. Children are running to the palm tree. Yajri running, ili to nakhla, palm tree. Here we have to make by ourselves, ili aina tamshi al-bint. Where to running? The girl. Tamshi al-bint ilil bayt. Girl running to the house. The next set of pictures and the sentences came. Ili aina yazhabu al-soban. Yazhafu al-soban. So this is the sa is the sun letter. Okay, this is the new letter came. So we are not pronouncing al-soban. Yazhafu al-soban. Okay. Yazhafu al-soban al-jidar. The snake crawling at the wall. Ilil jidar. It will come ilil jidar. Yazafu as-soban ilil jidar. Okay. So yazafu as-soban ilil jidar. Iliyaina yatiru al-asfur. Where to running the bird? Yatiru al-asfur ilil shajra. That yatiru flying al-asfur bird to the shajra. To the shajra, it is running to the tree. Now the other side came for the picture and the sentences. Ili aina tasbahu amal. See, amal is this. So that's why we are using ta, swimming. Where to swimming? Amal. Tasbahu al-amal ilil bahar. Okay, amal swimming in the sea. Now here they are showing the picture number 6. Ili aina yasadu Tariq. Tariq, where climbing? Tariq. Where to climbing Tariq or where climbing Tariq? Yasadu Tariq fawqus sata. Tariq, climbing over the surface. So this is the Sabatash, Miao Sabatash lesson. First part of the lesson 19 has been completed. The next part we will start.